traders, welcome to the Village Trader Chats. My name is Njabulon Nzibande, host of the Village Trader Podcast, a weekly podcast I host chatting with other traders. Link to the top of the description. New episode coming out tomorrow. Before we get into today's charts, I'd like you to subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss any of these videos. And man, do drop a like on the video if you do like the video to show some support. So in today's video, I wanted to look at the indices. Looking like the center rally is coming in early this year, with the stock market with the first chart is the top 40 index. Looking very very close to be break. So we broke above that 53,000 and some change-ish level. We're looking quite good to be making new highs relatively soon. A new multi-year high. The last time we traded around that 55,192-ish level was back in October of rather in November 2017. So if we do happen to break above that 55,000 points high, we're looking good for in the top 40. We're looking good on the long side on the top 40. Whether you're looking at the stocks in the top 40, but yeah, we're looking good there. Next on the list is our mid cap, code J201. Also mid cap looking good. It has taken a bit of time to recover from the that COVID-19 crash back in March, April, but it's not surprise with mid caps with a slow recovery. Perhaps there's a bit more value there. We broke above that 60,000 and some change-ish level there with a nice bull flag which we broke through, came back to retest, and it looks like it's going to hold. Traded through the 200-day exponential moving average, and our 30 like it's our 30-week exponential moving average looking like it wants to turn, looking very good. The index could see damn it. We could see the index possibly bouncing back to be hitting the that 68,000 points level, which was a the last fairish swing high that we had, but for pretty much all the way until the 74,000 points and some change level. It's just clear land to there. So mid cap's looking good. Perhaps we could be looking for some long trades, possibly on the mid cap space. Next on my list is the financials and industrial index, J250, the code. Looking good. We have this nice classic bull flag, rectangle bull flag forming there. Also quite a slowish recovery, not quite as aggressive as the top 40, but the financials looking good. We did touch on the financials index a couple of weeks ago. It was looking good. We'll touch on it in just a bit. We'll look at that financials and separate in just a bit. We did look at the precious index as well yesterday. Looking good. Our indices are looking good. Looking relatively good. Traded through that 200-day exponential moving average. Stayed above it for forever and a day. Our 30-week exponential moving average looking to cross the 200-day and subsequently the 60-week exponential moving average, looking good on that front there. We did look at the telecoms index, J560, in recent times, forming a nice cap and handle. Been struggling to break through that resistance there at about 4,335 fish level. But that cup and handle looks very, very classic. Also, that the handle support looks like it's nice and holding. 200-day exponential moving average looking like it's coming back. It came back to test that 60-week exponential moving average. So a break to the long side looking rather good. Perhaps Telcom, Vodacom, and MTN. I saw the MTN chart looking quite bullish. And as you remember from the last, I left the card to that video. The last time we looked at MTN, it was almost a replica of this Telecoms index, which was looking good on the upside with beautiful cup and handle. And if you look at the gold miners index, it looks like it has found some support. Look like after that dip there, look the gold miners look to have found support there, looking good. But I'm waiting. For me, they will look very. The index will look quite interesting above um, that price support there, which kind of held there as well. Uh, Perhaps that's a better area to put it there. Above that 200-day exponential moving average, the gold miners will start to look rather interesting to me. But the gold chart itself also look to have found support around that 1830-ish level, which is looking fairly well. The financials index looking quite bullish and looking like it's behaving the way I doped it out to be. Not quite coming back to test that 107 107.65 prior resistance, but testing that 200-day exponential moving average looking very, very well to the upside. But that support, um, which now looks like it's a resistance, does worry me. So I'm looking for some price action to be happening there. But yeah, looking good on the long side. Broke, and it's clear land. When you factor to all the way to that level at 1,446,000 level. Yeah, 140. Is it 146? Yeah, 14. Yeah, that level there. Um, Looking good. It's clear land. Nothing disturbing the index from that point in terms of support and resistance. Yeah, looking good. We seemingly making a higher low. Waiting to see if we're gonna break that and make a new higher high. So that's it for me today. Thank you for hanging with me. Do get down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you are looking at. Let me know some of your comments on the charts that we're looking at today. Yeah, man. Join us tomorrow. Trading live CFDs with Simon Brown on the Think Markets platform. Link to that top in the description below. Thank you for hanging with me. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Leave a like on the video if you did like the video. Check you again on Thursday. And this is the last week we're doing these videos. Back again next year. It's December. We're going on holidays. Yeah. Thank you again. Check you next time on the Village Trader Charts. Cheers.